welcome to my channel. My name is Nishan. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a purse I just got. So the Y2K 2000s fashion is super popular right now. So I bought this Juicy Couture bag because I'm it was super cheap and I'm kind of obsessed with the fashion coming back in. So how do I open this? So plus I got it on an auction style website, and at the time I think it was at $7.99 and it was ending in 30 minutes. So I was like, let me just bid on it. I ended up getting it auction wise for $13, but then there was tax and shipping. So I think I paid $28 total. And I looked it up on Poshmark Juicy Couture bags, and people are selling them for a ridiculous amount of money because I guess I don't know if they don't make the vintage or the same style bag anymore. So all of these bags are considered vintage bags, and people are selling them for $80, $100. So when I saw this one, it was $7.99. I was like, okay, let's get it. So let me pull it out. Okay, so this is the Juicy Couture bag. It has this little heart thing here. Has the logo on the front, the little logo on the back, and then on the inside it's, oh my god, is it pink on the inside? Super cute. I'm starting to wonder if this was new because it has this tag on it. It literally has this plastic tag, not the real tag, but still that's something. Even the mirror has the wrap on it still. That's kind of crazy. It honestly looks new too. There's literally no stains at the bottom or anything. It looks brand new, which is crazy. Okay, yeah, definitely a really good cop. I actually think it's super cute, super 2000s vibes, and I really like the color because it's super natural. I feel I could wear it all the time. Obsessed, honestly. Is this super cute or what? I'm actually obsessed. This little heart thing is so cute too. It says Juicy Couture on it. I don't know if you could tell, but yeah, I also tried to look for a tracksuit, the matching tracksuits on there. I couldn't find any, and I looked them up on eBay and they're super expensive, so I'm gonna keep an eye out. I actually bought this on shopgoodwill.com. I'll link it down below. So basically, obviously, designer stuff gets donated to Goodwill all the time, but they don't put it in their store typically because obviously they aren't gonna put this in the Goodwill for $5. Well, this they might. This is not this is top brand, but I mean, you can look up even higher end designer. I look up Louis Vuitton on there, Chanel. You can look up any designer or more high-end brand, and they have stuff on there that you can get online. Everything is auction based. Yeah, they have some really good deals. I've seen some good deals for Louis Vuittons. I haven't gotten any yet. I have a couple I have an eye on to see how they go price wise. But yeah, I definitely would recommend. It came really quick too. I think it took a few days for it to do the processing of the shipping, but once it shipped, it came in 2 days, and that was coming from Florida. So super cute, love it. It's a really cute velvety suede. I don't even know what material it is, but I really like it. Right now, the only purse I have, oh, there's a little pocket here. The only purse I have right now is my Louis Vuitton, so that's basically what I wear every day. So I'm glad I have something to kind of switch between now. And it's crazy, the quality, how new it is. Also the way it opens, so it has these two things here, and it looks like they're just magnetic. So you can just open it super easily. I love the pink inside. I'm gonna definitely keep an eye out for more. I saw basically a purse that was just like this, except the bag was black and the logo was white, and it was on Poshmark for I don't even remember. I want to say either $80 or $100, something crazy. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, definitely a good cop, and it's just super cute. I love it. I'm obsessed. Super cute. Okay. Anyways, this was a really short video, but I just wanted to show you guys the bag I just got because I just wanted to share in case you guys want to shop on there. I've been looking there for a good while, but this is my first purchase I actually made, and I'm super happy with it, and I love it, and I'm so excited. But yeah, definitely would recommend. From what I've seen, I can't guarantee it, but also they do authenticate all of the luxury items that are on there, so it's pretty safe shopping wise. But I would definitely read the description of everything, because I did read one that said that they didn't authenticate it, but usually all of them are, because basically by law, I guess, or by the law of the website, it says that they're not allowed to sell a counterfeit, which like how most websites work, that they're not supposed to sell counterfeit items. So they do have to go through authentication, and a lot of them even come with a virtual authentication. But yeah, still, of course, be careful, make sure to read all the descriptions and make sure that what you're getting is legitimate. We don't want anyone to get anything not real, not legit. So definitely be careful, but I would definitely recommend it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this cute little bag. Maybe I'll try and get some more Y2K and like make a whole little video. If I find a jumpsuit or tracksuit, I'll definitely let you guys know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.